In this quick guide, we're diving into how to use Proof's real-time notifications to boost your website's engagement and conversions. Stick around till the end to see how you can take advantage of this powerful feature. I'll even share an exclusive extended free trial to get started. First, let's talk about the basics. Proof's real-time notifications allow you to show real-time activity notifications on your website, like recent signups, purchases, or other actions your users are taking. This creates a sense of urgency and social proof, making your visitors feel like your product is in demand and trustworthy. The notifications help build instant credibility and encourage new users to take action. Setting up these notifications is simple. Once you've logged into Proof, you'll find the real-time notifications feature in the dashboard. Here you can customize your notifications to display actions such as recent purchases, signups, or even how many people are currently browsing your site. These live notifications can be positioned at various spots on your website for maximum visibility, like in the corner, top, or bottom of the screen. Now, let's get into the key settings that make this feature so effective. You can personalize the message of the notification based on the action that triggered it. For example, if someone just bought a product, you can display a message like, "John from Miami just bought X product," or 10 people are looking at this item right now. This taps into the psychological principle of social proof, reassuring visitors that your product is popular and worth considering. You can also control how often these notifications pop up, so they're not too intrusive. A good rule of thumb is to make sure they appear frequently enough to create urgency, but not so much that they overwhelm or annoy your audience. When it comes to design, Proof allows for some customization. You can adjust the color, font, and style of your notifications to align with your brand's aesthetic. Plus, you can tweak the display settings to match your site's layout, ensuring the notifications integrate seamlessly with your overall user experience. One of the biggest benefits of real-time notifications is that they can trigger increased conversions. By showing visitors that other people are engaging with your site, you can drive them to act more quickly. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or scheduling a demo, these notifications make a compelling case for why they should act now. As you set up your notifications, remember to experiment with the timing. Testing is crucial. Try different messages and timing intervals to see what resonates best with your audience. Proof even provides data and insights into how your notifications are performing, so you can fine-tune the strategy for maximum impact. Now, here's a pro tip. To increase the effectiveness of your real-time notifications even further, integrate them with other Proof features like the Engage tool. With Engage, you can show personalized notifications based on user behavior, like offering a discount to first-time visitors or showing a reminder of an item they left behind in their cart. As you continue to use Proof, you'll find that the software gives you insights that help you optimize your notifications for better engagement. You'll get to know which notifications drive the most action and which need tweaking. Over time, this will help you build a more conversion-friendly website that feels dynamic and interactive. Before I wrap up, don't forget to check the first link below for your exclusive extended free trial of Proof, so you can start using real-time notifications today and see the difference it can make for your business. It's the perfect way to try out the software without any commitment. To summarize, Proof's real-time notifications are an easy yet powerful way to leverage social proof and urgency to drive conversions. By customizing the notifications to fit your site's needs, testing them for optimal performance, and integrating with other Proof tools, you'll be able to maximize their impact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your extended free trial with the link below.